I think it's just an incredible honor every day when I wake up that I'm working for NASA. So I'm going to just lay my nerd cards out on the table. What I'm really looking forward to is just seeing all the new and different experiments. It's been 4 years since I've been there. So, I'm telling the program guys, give me more experiments, more experiments. I'm looking forward to being as productive as we possibly can.
It's really fun to be up here. You get to be all kinds of scientists at once.
It's actually really phenomenal. It's a world-class laboratory, and it's an absolutely packed one. I think it's like taking an entire university campus, a world-class university, and shrinking it down to the size of the space station. There's about 200 experiments on any given mission, and it's pretty fun to be able to do them all.
And station for Kate, what would you think about loading the up and the lower well on this last row?
Ooh, let's do it.
It is more complex up here to do things like molecular biology, and so some of the time we are just inventing how to do lab work.
It took about 10 gentle shakes with this kind of motion to get full RNA reader distribution and none of those mixing lines. Copy that, and we like what you saw and are doing. This is why we can't automate things, and we need humans.
I think one of the best things about being in space is that it surprises you every time. You think you know what it's going to be like up here, and then it's just completely different.
In space, I get to see everything from physics to material science to biology. It's just this incredible sense of wonder and joy.
We're increasing our complexities double time today. Appreciate the patience. This is awesome.
It's no problem. I flew my crewmate Ike around on the robotic arm at an EVA not that many days ago, so I sure understand what it takes to do this setup in the robotic commanding. I feel ya.
We're trying to take a census of which microbes are on space station, so we're working on a comprehensive sequence-based map of the space station. We're taking about 1,000 samples total, and so I'm very carefully swabbing all of the modules. Everybody floats by and says, "Kate, are you still swabbing?" And I'm like, "Yep, 1,000 samples is a lot."
We trust you that you're doing your very, very best, and we appreciate it.
This is our home. We even see it on videos sometimes when we go back, and I look at it and I think, wow, I feel like this is my home. But certainly the planet is home as well, and I'm going to always try to keep that in the forefront of my mind and appreciate that.
Kate, we thank you for continuing to push space science through your work on board and through all you do to socialize and emphasize the importance of molecular biology in space.
It's really, really, really fun to be at the pointy end of this spear here and to get a chance to do the sequencing in space. So I'm very excited about this, and I can't wait until we're sequencing, multiplexing 96 well plates and swabbing everything on the space station.
That's where we're headed next.
There's a lot going on up here, and I really do think that science is an incredible career, whether you're doing it in space or on the ground. If people are interested in this, the pleasure and the gratification of being a scientist every day, it's truly amazing to get up and discover new things.